Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Specular Skincare. Please, if you are stopping by for the first time, help me hit up the subscription button below, thumbs up the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming up from me. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. I love you guys from the depths of my heart. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to produce a 3 days instant whitening soap. This soap is super effective. This soap is for my clients that don't like using cream, because a lot of them has been complaining to me that the weather is too hot, so they need something they can use and still achieve that whitening effect on their skin without using cream. So that's why I decided to make this soap for them. The soap is effective. Believe me when I say it's effective. It's super effective. So without wasting much of our time, let's get down to today's video. So this is my base soap, and in here I have my 3 days whitening and anti-pimples ball. I have my color ozone soap. I have my Osha soap. Guys, I will go on and put my botanical powders. The first powder I'll be working with is my neem powder, and I'll be working with 50 grams of the neem powder. The next ingredient I'll be adding is my rice powder. Rice powder helps retain the elasticity and firmness of the skin. It's equally wonderful to treat blemishes, fine lines and pimples that leads to aging. Rice powder contains a few sun protection agents like ferulic acid and allantoin, which converts it into a good natural sunscreen. In 50 grams of my rice powder. The next one is my carrot powder. Needing 50 grams of my carrot powder. Carrot powder is a lightening agent. It clears blemishes on the skin. The next one is my turmeric powder. I'll be needing 50 grams of my turmeric powder. Next ingredient is my kojic dip powder. So this is my kojic dip powder. As you can see, is well dissolved, and I used 50 grams of kojic dip powder. And this is my sepia white powder. It's well dissolved. So I'll be needing my Shalom stretch mark oil. We are using it to prevent stretch mark on the skin. You know, this is a whitening product, so we'll need it to avoid stretch mark. I'm not saying the soap is going to give you stretch mark, but they said prevention is better than cure. So I'll be needing my stretch mark oil. And for those that have stretch mark already on their skin, the soap is gonna help fade the stretch mark away. The next one I'll be adding is my Larissa stretch mark oil. Okay, it's very good in fading off stretch mark. This soap is super safe on the skin. It's a whitening soap, so we need a prevention oil because we don't want to hear any story while using the soap. So I'll be putting my Larissa stretch mark remover oil. The next one I'll be adding is my Shenic oil. Shenic oil is good for prevention of green veins. You know, this is a whitening soap, so I don't want in a situation whereby if you are using my soap, you'll be complaining that the soap is giving you green veins. So I'll be putting my mulberry powder on it. This is 50 grams of my mulberry powder. Please don't say the powders are much. These are botanical powders. They are very safe on the skin. There. So the next one I'll be putting is my tissue repair oil. This oil is good for damaged skin. It will help return the skin to its normal shape. Repair oil is good for dark spots. Repair oil is good for is good for skin discoloration. So I'll be needing 50 ml of my repair oil. Is a treatment oil, so feel free to add it. And the next I'll be working with is my miracle powder. It works for burns, black spots, pimples, dark knuckles, brown patches, stretch mark, and aftershave. So I'll be needing just a little quantity of the miracle powder. The one I have here is very small, so I'll be using the remaining one. Next one I'll be adding is my Mimi White Aha. This oil is a strong whitening oil, so I'll be needing 30 ml of the Mimi White Aha. I'll be working with my Whitening oil. This oil is super effective. The triple action oil, and it contains a fruity acid. It's a strong whitening oil. 25 ml of my Whitening oil. Please guys, this soap is available in our store. For those that cannot go the stress of making this soap, we can help take the stress off your head. And for those that want to rebrand our product, is available. I'll be working with my Amos White oil. Amos White oil is very good. For those that knows the products, they can attest to it. So I'll be working with 30 ml of my Amos White oil. This is 15 ml of my measuring spoon, so I'll be needing 2 of these, making 30 ml of my Amos White oil. So guys, I'll be working with my lactic acid. This is a great exfoliant. It's gonna help exfoliate your skin while using the soap. So I will be needing 15 ml of my lactic acid. So I'll be working with my castor soap. This is a soap booster, and it's gonna help this soap to lather very well. So I'll be using it to soak the soap. Sorry guys, I added my propylene glycol. That's what I use in dissolving my powders. As we all know, propylene glycols help active ingredients to penetrate into the skin. So guys, I'll be working with my soap booster. This is soap activator. I'll be working with 250 ml of my soap activator. Lastly, I'll be working with my aloe vera gel. So I'll need 3 tablespoons of my aloe vera gel. it will help calm the effectiveness of the soap down. I will go on and mix the soap very well. This is our 3 days instant whitening soap. This soap is super effective. After turning the soap, I will leave it for like 48 hours for the soap to ferment very well. Then we'll blend it, come back and show you the outcome of the soap. So guys, if this video was really helpful to you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop a comment in our comment section below. Share my video to your loved ones. See you guys in my next video. Bye.